Hello everyone, this is Vashini from Sakti Institute of Teacher Education and Research, Vatanjatram, Dindukkal. In this video, I am going to share about Unit 5, Policy Framework on Educational Pre-Independent India under the subject Contemporary India and Education, Part 2, Buddhist System of Education. Buddhist system of education. This system was introduced to implement the teaching of Buddha. It emerged as protest against Vedic education. In Buddhist system of education, no importance was given to Vedas and rituals, but good conduct and simple life, sacrificing all worldly comforts, were given primary importance. Study of subjects related to daily life of people like medicine, astronomy, mathematics and languages were credence. Hermits called Buddha bhikshus living in monasteries were the teachers. Salient features of Buddhist system of education. Aims of education, curriculum, teaching methods, discipline, teachers. Aims of education. Good health helps people to escape from bodily suffering. So, importance was given for physical development. The main objective of education is developing compassion and kindness towards all living beings. Character formation, moral conduct is known as leading simple life with self-control, showing compassion and concern to all living beings. Curriculum. Buddhist education consists of two stages, primary education and higher education. Primary education, duration 6 years. The basic skills of reading, writing and arithmetic. Higher education, duration 6 years. Comparative religion, astronomy, Ayurveda, philosophy, language like Sanskrit and Prakrit and cosmology were taught. Teaching methods. Methods like the lecture method, question and answer method, group discussion and logical reasoning are the teaching methods. For practical subjects, methods like demonstration, practical training and imitational learning were used. This has been recorded by Chinese traveler like Fa Yan and Zhuan Zhang. Discipline and teachers. Discipline. Teacher and student should follow regulation of Buddha Sang. Every month they should meet in a particular place and confess their misdeeds and tearfully seek the pardon. Teachers. 6 years of primary education, secondary education and 8 years of education to become bhikshus were allowed to become teachers. Merits. Vedas and rituals were denied. Buddha bhikshus were the teachers. Universities were established for higher education. Righteous conduct and pure life were stressed. Students were admitted for education without any discrimination of sex and caste. Jain system of education. Jain system was founded by Vartamana Mahavir before Buddhism made its appearance. Jainism also repudiates Vedic authority, refuses to believe in God and advocates the human life is full of miseries. It supports concept of Brahman. Jainism is a midway between Vedic religion and Buddhism. Jains follow the code of right conduct very strictly. All Jains are expected to follow 5 vows: ahimsa, non-violence; satyam, truth; non-stealing, purity; contentment. Jain monks should follow 2 more vows: brahmacharya, celibacy; renunciation, giving up. Salient features of Jain system of education. Aims of education. Main aim is guiding to attain moksha or salvation. To attain moksha, right knowledge, faith, actions are indispensable. Curriculum. Curriculum contain preaching of Jain Tirthankaras and teaching of Vartamana Mahavir. Individual discipline, right knowledge, faith, actions were included. Types of knowledge proposed by Jain system. Intellectual knowledge, scriptural knowledge and knowledge from clairvoyance were learned with the help of teacher. Telepathic knowledge and intuitive knowledge were learned with one's penance. Right action instituted by Jain system of education are Annadanam, distributing free food to the needy; Aushtadanam, distributing of free medicine; Abhayadanam, providing protective shelter; Shastradanam, providing knowledge. Teaching method, providing etymological meaning, providing for discussion, memorization, recalling what are learned intellectually, making the people present to others what are learned. Discipline and teacher. Teacher. There is no separate category called teacher in this Jain system of education. The saints who taught literacy, numeracy and sastras were called as Upadayas. Discipline. Self-restraint and thirst for knowledge are nurtured in student individual. Discipline were emphasized. No tuition fees were collected from the students. Charitable donations offered by the government and the income derived from the lands donated to God. Students stayed with their teacher and learned. Thank you everyone for watching this video.